Hey food lovers, I want to plug you guys on how my mom and grandma makes the best yam porridge with green vegetables. Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe if you like our content, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys. I'm sharing a dish that is straight from my heart and from my family's kitchen. This is my mom's and grandma's special yam porridge recipe, packed with rich flavors and a fresh vibrant green vegetables. Trust me, once you try it, you will never make yam porridge the same way again. So let's get cooking, guys. This particular magic I always do in most of my cooking videos, and it's on my own, nobody taught me, but it's actually very stressful to create this content. Like, it's not like creating your normal cooking content. So guys, this is me putting out a question right there. Do you like this, or do you think I should stop doing it and just continue with my cooking stuff? Let me know in the comment section, please. In a pot, add your peeled washed yam and the chopped onions and pepper. In goes the crayfish, seasoning powder, salt, and dry pepper. Guys, I added dry pepper to this just for that extra hot and spicy flavor. Add a reasonable amount of red oil and cover your pot and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, you open up your pot and give it a good stir so every pieces of the yam gets coated in that rich and spicy goodness. This is where the magic begins. Take your yam on intervals and also stir it so that it doesn't burn. Go ahead and check if the yam is well cooked. Once the yam is soft and the sauce has thickened into that rich creamy porridge texture, it is time to add our secret weapon, which is our fresh green vegetable. My grandma will always say a touch of green brings life to your pot. So guys, after you cutting your green, you just open up your pot and pieces some yam. Like, you just break a little bit of your yam in your pot so that it will give you that pottage kind of look, you understand? So right after doing this, we'll go ahead and add our green and gently mix everything together. Like, let everything marry each other very well, and for the green to to understand the pot and understand the assignment. Let them cook for just a minute. We want them fresh, vibrant, and packed with nutrients. Oh my god, just look at our pot of creamy, colorful, and flavor packed yam porridge. The yams are soft, the sauce is rich, and those greens, they just take it another level. Now take a look at our plated food. This is the kind of food that hugs your soul, comforting, flavorful, and packed with love. If you love this recipe and want more of my mom and grandma's secret dishes, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss a delicious upload. And let me know in the comment section what's your favorite way to enjoy yam. See you in my next video. Bye.